Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. So we have 3 over y and dy over y squared dx. That is about Bernoulli equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this, but we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by this one. This one we change by v. Next, we divide both sides by negative s. Next, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that we have v. Next to v, that is about negative number 3 over s. This is for integrating factor. We need to include in negative sign in here. So I will put this one gone here. So the integration of negative number 3 over s, we have negative number 3 ln s. Later that, we put the negative number 3 go inside about natural law in here. So this one we have s to the power of negative number 3, and this one equals to 1 over s to the power of 3. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have number 3 over s to the power of 4. This one we have 1 over s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So we concentrate on this one. We have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of 1 over s to the power of 3. And that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have v over s to the power of 3. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. Next, we have the conditions. When x equals to number 1, y equals to number 2. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 2 cone here. Ln number 1, we have number 0. This one we have 1 over 2. And we have c equals to 1 over 2. And now I will put 1 over 2 cone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.